Love seat. I sit on the love seat. Ottoman. The ottoman is soft. Dining table. We eat at the dining table. Bed. My bed is comfortable. Vase. The vase has flowers. Desk chair. She uses the desk chair. Bookshelf. The bookshelf is full. Coffee table. My phone is on the coffee table. Pillow. I need a new pillow. Coat rack. Hang your coat on the coat rack. Floor lamp. The floor lamp is bright. Dresser. My clothes are in the dresser. Mirror. I look in the mirror. Shoe rack. The shoes are on the shoe rack. Sectional sofa. The sectional sofa is very big. Laundry basket. The laundry basket is full. Side table. My cup is on the side table. Recliner. My grandpa likes the recliner. Rug. The rug is very soft. TV stand. The TV is on the TV stand. Wardrobe. My jacket is in the wardrobe. Cushion. The cushion is blue. Chandelier. The chandelier looks beautiful. Bookcase. There are many books in the bookcase. End table. The keys are on the end table. Blanket. I sleep with a warm blanket. Armchair. My father sits in the armchair. Storage box. The toys are in the storage box. Wall shelf. The clock is on the wall shelf. Sofa. We watch TV on the sofa. Desk. I study at my desk. Plant stand. The plant is on the plant stand. Full-length mirror. She looks in the full-length mirror. Hall tree. My bag is on the hall tree. Queen bed. The queen bed is very comfortable. Console table. The vase is on the console table. Basket. The apples are in the basket. Display cabinet. The cups are in the display cabinet. Footstool. Put your feet on the footstool. Ceiling light. The ceiling light is on. Drawer. My socks are in the drawer. Dining chair. She sits on the dining chair. Nightstand. My book is on the nightstand. Folding table. We use the folding table outside. Carpet. The carpet is clean. TV cabinet. The TV cabinet is brown. Wall mirror. The wall mirror is clean. Storage cabinet. We keep tools in the storage cabinet. Bean bag. The kids love the bean bag. Round table. We sit around the round table. Thank you for watching.